Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement, and in the right corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. Let's get ready to rumble. The first category we'll compare is price. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is priced at $48, while the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are priced at $24. According to reviewers, the Braun Series 770's is considered a good investment for its quality, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade is praised for its affordability. Moving on to the second category, durability. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement claims to maintain peak performance for up to 18 months, handling over 6 million hairs. Reviewers have praised its long-lasting performance. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades can last up to 8 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. Users have found it to be durable and reliable. Next up, we have versatility. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is known for its close shave and quality craftsmanship. Reviewers have praised its performance and precision. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It can be used dry or wet with foam, making it a versatile grooming tool. Lastly, let's talk about additional features. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is known for its simple replacement process. Just click it on and you're good to go. Reviewers have found it convenient and user-friendly. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades offer a subscription option, allowing users to save up to 15% on replacement blades. Reviewers have appreciated this cost-saving feature. Based on online reviews, the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is praised for its quality, long-lasting performance, and precision. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are highly regarded for their affordability, reliability, and versatility. And that's the bell, folks. Both products put up a good fight, but it's time to declare a winner. If you're looking for a premium, long-lasting replacement head, the Braun Series 770's is your champion. However, if versatility and affordability are your priorities, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades take home the trophy. Remember, always consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that'll make you a savvy shopper. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.